KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning to draw Hello Kitty Mermaid. Let's start with me. First I am drawing by drawing. Let's draw its cute face. Then I am drawing its food and its ears. Let's draw its face. Now you can draw with me its body, its cute body. Let's draw its arm and its chest and its tail. Let's draw the waves. Now I am going to color it. Let's color with me. Dark pink color. I am coloring in blue.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Now I am coloring another blue. Yellow color. Now I am coloring in blue and its nose. Light pink color. I am coloring its body. Orange color. Now I am coloring its tail. Hope you enjoy this drawing.
Subscribe us for more videos.